Hi, Charlene Willie. I'm Bob Richardson, the guy that we sent the water out to you, and my partner John Harris. Say hi to.
Hi, Charlene Willie. How are you? I'm John Harris.
So today we're going to show you just a quick little demonstration on what the difference is between Kangen water, and then this is a bottle of alkaline water I just purchased at Trader Joe's. And what we're going to do is we're going to test the pH with these pH drops to show first the pH, and then I have a pinpoint meter here. This measures the whether something is an antioxidant or it's an oxidizing liquid, and it's measured in millivolts. And then I'm going to show you what the difference is with the bottled alkaline water that we see so much in the stores today. People are kind of confused. They think that's what we have produces out of our ionizer, but it's absolutely totally different. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, this is 9.5 pH Kangen water. So I'm going to pour a little bit in this cup. And this here is a brand new bottle of alkaline water with electrolytes. It says pH of 9.5 on here. I just purchased it, so it's fresh. Just bought it. We'll put that there. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do, I think we'll test with the ORP meter before we put the pH drops in. So I've got it calibrated here, and anytime we have a reading that is a negative number, that shows that it's an antioxidant. If it shows a positive reading, that means it's oxidizing you. Okay? So here we go. We're going to start with the Kangen water. And hopefully they can see this. I can read it off here. So it's already gone to negative 650. It's still dropping or climbing to negative 700. It's starting to top out at negative 725, right about 730, negative 730. Now what's interesting is really the highest antioxidant liquid that we've been able to find so far would be cod liver oil, right, John?
Negative 200.
Negative 200? Okay, so now, as we all know, very, very good for people, you know, kind of the cure-all product that's been used for hundreds of years, okay? So now we're going to test the bottled alkaline water and see what kind of reading we're getting. So this has already gone positive reading. It's a positive 100, and looks like it's right at a positive 103 right there. So that's telling us that it oxidizes.
It oxidizes,
right?
very much, yes.
Okay? So that's not good. That means that's an unhealthy product to be consuming. Okay? All right, so we've got that established. Now I've got these pH drops. Stands for potential hydrogen. You're pretty familiar with these. This is what they check swimming pool pH and aquariums. So we're going to put a few drops in each one of these, and as you can see, we have both of them are on the alkaline side. And what's interesting here, John, could you see this?
Yes, very, very close.
Close, but actually this is purple. This is showing, this is true 9.5 right here.
Yes.
So this is already losing its pH. By the way, the pH will dissipate over a period of time if it's ionized. And also the ORP reading also diminishes rather quickly within 24, 48 hours, depending on how much vibration is going on, and also that once the container is open and the air is starting to hit the water, that ORP reading will start to drop. Okay, so fresher water, the better. Okay, now, basically what they do, how they're making the bottled waters now that are they claim to have that are alkaline, is they basically just they're taking reverse osmosis water, strip it out. So what the Japanese call it, they call it dead water. It has no real value to it. They've taken all the minerals out. So what these guys do, like it says here, added electrolytes.
Yes.
What are electrolytes, John?
Another word would be minerals.
Okay, and minerals would be
your potassium, your magnesium, your zinc. Those are minerals that the body needs on a daily basis. Calcium.
Right? Okay, and that's what they say they put. So this is synthetic minerals they're putting back in. Now, what I have here is a straw. And I'm going to show you that the difference between these two, so we don't, this really tells the truth here. First I'm going to take this one here, and I'm going to exhale, I'm going to blow bubbles into this water here. And this is going to prove that once this water hits your stomach, it's neutralized immediately. Okay, and that's not what we want. We want something that's going to stay in our system and keep us on the alkaline side. Okay,
so that'll take about 15 seconds to blow.
Okay, well, I'll take a real deep breath here.
So we can already begin to see that the color is becoming less and less in color based on Bob here blowing air into the water. You can see it's becoming a lighter blue than what it really started with. Now you can tell it's really a light blue, like an aqua color. Now it's going green right now, so that's more of an acidic, not an alkaline type of water. So in about 15 seconds, we turned it from being an alkaline bottled water sold in the store to an acidic water just by our breath. Now we're going to try the same thing with the Kangen water, which is a 9.5. About 15 seconds you'll see that there won't be any changes, but we'll show you here. As you can see, the color is not changing on the Kangen water. The color is still the same, still constant, still blowing air into the water. So that means it's still alkaline once it hits your stomach. Not like the alkaline water that's sold and marketed on the stores.
How'd I do?
You did beautiful.
Okay.
I knew you had a lot of hot air.
A lot of hot air. Wow. Okay, so that's just showing you a little bit of the difference here. Anything else we want to add to this quick little video?
I think this here should share to help her to understand, Charlene, understand what this is about.
Right.
So we hope this is informative.
This winds up being very expensive to purchase and not effective.
Exactly.
Right?
Yes, and if you have any more questions, you can call me at 310-350-4290. And once again, my name is John Harris, and this is Bob Richardson, who's agreed to help me to share this with you.
Bye, Charlene. Thank you.
Thank you.